And also
I need to
directional
re-edit
pad
this video.
right
Let me
here,
go ahead and close
sensitive
it. Re-edit
and
it.
responsive. Also bigger trigger
Oh
buttons for you
no! I accidentally closed
couldn't
out
go
all of
with the
my
traditional
Chrome
Nintendo Switch
tabs.
triggers.
How am I
And
get them
even
back?
featuring
Well, have no fear,
pads
guys. Today I'm gonna show
that's
you
made
guys
of
how to
silicone
restore the
material,
Google
such as these
Chrome
silicone
tabs
buttons.
because I had
All right, now if you look,
what, like 50 tabs up there. Well, have no fear. I'm here to save the day. Just simply open up Google Chrome, and then you're gonna right click on the empty space on top bar and just say simply reopen close window, and all of my tabs have popped back up because these are all the projects that I'm working on, the products I'm gonna review. There's no way I'm gonna look through my email to find those all over again. And if you ever encounter a problem where you have multiple tabs open, I meant like on a different session, and you accidentally close one and you aren't able to recover it, you simply go to your history, because Google Chrome always keeps a history of all of your closed tabs. And now you can go to, you see right here, recently closed, or you have all the recently closed tabs, and depending on each session, you can also recover from there. Yeah, so I hope this helps, because I was freaking out a little bit until I discovered this method. So best of luck.